Thank you. Let's get out live to our Michell Choi right now in Brazoria County. That's where lightning struck 3 construction workers during overnight storms there. Michelle, how are they doing this morning?
Lisa, at last check, one of those workers were in critical condition. Now talk about scary. Those 3 men were part of a construction crew working on a new home here in the Sterling Lakes subdivision when they were struck. Now take a look. Last night, lightning lit up the sky all throughout the metro area, including this Brazoria County subdivision. Now police say at the time, the 3 construction workers were inside a garage. Both Iowa Colony police officers and a Brazoria County sheriff's deputy were first to arrive on scene and immediately gave CPR to one man who was unresponsive. With the help of Iowa Colony fire crews, they were then able to resuscitate him. Now he was taken to the hospital along with the other 2 men. Right now, we're not sure about their conditions. And this morning, the Iowa Colony fire chief thanking those officers and deputy from last night, saying their quick actions helped save this construction worker's life. Steph?
All right, Michelle, thank you. First crash of the morning, and it is causing big problems on the North Freeway southbound side. As you head into Acres Homes, you will be head up here. We've got noise in the 2 left lanes. Ambulance still on scene. They've been there for about 10 minutes. Carpool lane not affected. So if you do want to jump on that, it is moving as it should be at this time. But everyone being caught off guard by this. Frontage lanes are starting to get really busy as people jump on those. So I want to show you a couple alternates here. You've got the Hardy Toll Road. That's probably the best one. I'm just going to have you stick with that. And then separately, it is very slow on your North Loop going westbound as you approach the North Freeway. Brandy.
Thank you, Steph. Check it out. This is the moment an hours-long standoff in Philadelphia came to an end. The suspect surrendered, but only after he shot at police, hitting 6 officers. None of them were seriously hurt, and they are all out of the hospital now. We're also getting our first look at Maurice Hill. He's the man accused of pulling the trigger. Now, early yesterday evening, officers were serving a narcotics warrant and were already inside the home when gunfire erupted. It kept going for hours until Hill surrendered just after midnight. The shooting has the city's mayor calling for gun reform.
This guy is clearly a criminal. He is a criminal, and he was able to get these weapons and a large magazine, a large amount of bullets. Our officers deserve to be protected, and they don't deserve to be shot at by a guy for hours with an unlimited supply of weapons and an unlimited supply of bullets.
Twitter responded immediately with a lot of people calling out the mayor with the same comment: criminals don't follow the laws. But others think the mayor is on the right track, saying police officers see what's happening in our streets. We need to listen to their calls for gun control.
Back here in Houston, a man is dead after he was hit by a car overnight. Police say he was walking on South Post Oak Road when a driver heading north struck him. The driver did stop and is not expected to face charges. More breaking news this morning. 2 people now recovering in the hospital after a shooting in northwest Harris County. Police went to a home on Reynolds Park Drive around 10 p.m. They found 1 victim with injuries. No one was seriously hurt. No word yet on the shooter.
Investors are hoping markets bounce back after a huge sell-off yesterday over fears we could be heading towards another recession. Overseas markets have been mixed all night after the Dow's 800-point drop. It was the U.S. market's worst single day this year. Experts say the fall was caused by a shift in bond yields, a key economic indicator in past recessions. It has investors spooked.